Assume if you are interviewing someone from Atomic Research Laboratory. So what you're going to do is that you're going to engage the entire network of that specific person. And if you do a couple of interviews of Atomic Research Commission with the people who are working there, their network is going to become your network. So whoever you connect to, their network become your network, and they start connecting with you as well, and your influence starts going on to their network. So networking is one of the main aspect that benefits your life, that benefits your interviewing career, because your network expands gradually. As much as you do the interviews, you select different subjects, you come up with different interviewing guests, your network expands. And this is one thing that helps you and that increases your trust and credibility in the market. If you are taking an interview of a department head of Atomic Research Commission, so you are engaging the people who are within that network. Once you publish that interview, that network starts trusting you and having confidence in you as well. So gradually you expand your trust relationship and confidence relationship within that network, and your networking expands. This is one of the key benefits of interviewing, that gradually your network expands. I know many people here who started their career out of nowhere, and now after doing around 500 interviews, their network has expanded massively. So network is one of the key benefits that increases within once you are doing the interviews.